Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Lego Fortnite Matchmaking error world currently unavailable. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So for the first troubleshooting that you can do is to simply restart the game. So although this sounds like a less thoughtful solution, doing so will help you reload all of the game files properly, ensuring you do not have any discrepancies from your side. And you can also attempt to reload your gaming console or your PC. And then next, what you can do here is to check your server status. So considering the fact that there are millions of players trying to access this game mode, it would be a wise decision to check the status of the game's server before launching it. And you can do so by checking the Epic's official status page through sites like Down Detector. And then for the last troubleshooting for this tutorial, what you can do next is to change the server region. So additionally, you can also try to switch your server region and then load into Lego Fortnite. So this might help you bypass the error if it is caused by overloaded servers. So this can be changed by heading into the settings and then go to the language and region and then click the matchmaking region and selecting a different server from your currently chosen one. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.